Look at that. Incidentally, sorry about the lighting on the video. I should have used a light. I'm telling you that the ride, it changed the ride for the better more than anything I've put on this bike, including the Mustang seat. And I'm not kidding. Now, as you can see, I don't have foot pegs. I have the Kuryakin 4351 floorboards. And they're connected with the Kuryakin 8815 splined adapter. You really can't see it, but that's what connects it to the bike. Where are you? There you are. So I highly recommend these 6-inch forward controls by ScootMods Inc. You can find them online. Just look up ScootMods, ScootMods, ScootMods. And they make them not only for the Shadow series, but also for other bikes. I can't recite them all. But it's not just the Shadow, Aero, and the Spirit, and the RS and Phantom. It's more than that. Again, this is a 2011. See if you can see that. Honda Shadow Aero VT750. They went in flawlessly. I couldn't be happier. The ride is so much more enjoyable with my feet in that position. My foot used to be way clear back here, you know, right about here, and flat. And you really can't support yourself with your foot in a flat position like that. Your legs all of a sudden don't give you any support when they're flat. But when you give them an angle like that, all of a sudden your legs give you all the support you need. I am so happy I put those on my bike. Well, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Again, this is my first video, so I'm sorry about the lighting. Okay. I wish you all the best of luck. Enjoy your ride. Bye now.